she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad. Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag. She in a bag, she drip, she swag.
Hey my babies, welcome back to I just called y'all my baby. Well anyway, y'all my babies now I guess. But today I'll be showing you guys how to remove your cap without taking out your edges. Because y'all know that's very, very important. And now I'm just showing you guys that my lace has been coming up. It's been about 5 days since I actually did it. So yeah, it's coming up. But what you're going to need is some alcohol. I prefer like 90% alcohol, 70%, but all I have is this little 50% one. And you need some water. I dropped a little bit of coconut oil, I think it was coconut oil I dropped in my water, just a little bit, just because, I don't know, I like moisturizing my edges with coconut oil. But now I'm just spraying it with my water and coconut oil, and I'm gonna massage through the entire time. Just continue to massage through it. Now you're gonna take a cloth. Some people like to use the pads, but I don't use the pads because it leaves like white tissue type stuff in here, and I don't got time to clean it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna use any type of cloth and pour my alcohol on there and massage my edges. As I massage my edges, I'm pulling up on the cap just to make sure that it's loose. But if you feel like a tugging or tight or feeling, don't pull, because you're going to be edgeless. I'm trying to tell you. So whenever you feel like it's loose enough, then that's when you start to pull. But other than that, don't pull. And I like to massage it in like a circular motion. And if it's not a circular motion, then I just pull down. Yeah, like that. Just pull down. It look like I'm doing it rough, but y'all, I'm not. Be gentle with your edges, ladies. Please. Please be gentle with your edges. And now I'm just showing you guys how my cap looked when I remove it. This is exactly how it should look. No hairs. I might have got like 2 or 3 little hairs, but I mean, it's fine. I had mine on for like almost a week, so I kept having to redo it and keep adding glue. But I put a little bit of the glue on my hair, I ain't gonna lie. But if y'all don't plan on having it on as long as I did, then y'all should be fine, because y'all wouldn't have to touch up y'all hair as much. But now I'm gonna spray the water and coconut oil on my edges so I can comb all of this gunk out. And this step is very important, because if you try to comb it out without adding your water or whatever you use to moisturize your edges, then all of your edges gonna fall out. So make sure you do this step. And another thing is, if you plan on having it in as long as I did, then you're gonna have a lot of buildup, because you're gonna have to keep retouching your cap and make sure your hair is laid. So you're gonna have a lot of buildup. And right now I'm just combing all of the glue and the makeup out of my hair, and I'm making sure to be very gentle, because if you don't, then you already know what's gonna happen. And make sure it's like really, really wet. So no, my edges did not come out, and I hope this video is very helpful. Alright, love you guys. Bye.